Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic. This vehicle comes with a 3-litre diesel engine pushing out 296 bhp. This also comes equipped with an automatic transmission, delivering power down to all 4 wheels thanks to Land Rover's 4-wheel drive system. This example comes finished in the lovely colour Charente Grey. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with signature LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors. This Discovery sits on a set of 22-inch alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke design and a silver colour with some dark grey contrasts on each spoke. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass on the rear windscreen. Helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll also find a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, a large boot space can be found with 2 additional seats in the back. Both of the split tailgate feature an electric function, which allows for a touch of luxury and incredible ease when loading and unloading the vehicle. There is also a retractable parcel shelf, which hides any prying eyes. Taking a look into the rear passenger area, we'll find a 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle. All the seats in the vehicle come in a lovely blend of ebony and light cloud in a Windsor leather. Up front in the driver's cab area, we'll find some more of the comfortable seating. The 2 seats up front feature a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows driver and users to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as listen to all their favourite radio stations. The driver can also use the inbuilt navigation feature. For the driver, there's also a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Land Rover Discovery D300. For any further inquiries, please contact a member of our sales team. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.